So water soluble vitamins are B and C. They soluble in water. So due to soluble in water, they can be excreted through the urine. Therefore, they should take regularly in diet. Otherwise, it leads to cause disease. Next, different disease. And next is fat soluble ADEK or fat soluble vitamins. Okay, they soluble in oil or fat, and moreover they cannot be excreted, and they are stored in adipose tissues. Till here completed, no? Okay, next is important is in textbook they have given tabular column. In tabular column, if you have textbooks, just open textbook or material. In first column, vitamins and their source, and it is their symptoms are what is a deficiency. So their deficiency causes which kind of disease? Okay, tell me. What are the vitamins? One, vitamin A, right? So what is the name of vitamin A? Retinol. Okay, next, two, vitamin B. In B, which? B1. It is a thiamine. Next, vitamin B2. Name? Riboflavin. Next, 4. B3 not there? B3 in textbook not given, no? Okay, so whatever the given in textbook, that one tell me. B6, pyridoxine. P, pyridoxine. Next, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, correct? Okay, cyanocobalamin. Next, vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Next, vitamin D, calciferol. Next, vitamin E. What is the name? Chemical name? Tocopherol. Vitamin K. Phylloquinone, I think. Phylloquinone, correct? Phylloquinone, anticoagulating vitamin it is. Okay, so these are the important vitamins given in textbook, NCERT textbook, and their source. See, majority having common source, but particularly vitamin A. What is the source for vitamin A? Fish, meat, milk, or particularly carrot, butter, etc. Next, vitamin B1, leafy vegetables. See, all the B complex having present usually in leafy vegetables. Okay, and even meat also, milk, egg white. Okay, and even B2 also same, no? Any particular important source? Kidney. Yadu B2? Yar kidney? Okay. Next, B6. Same, ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ cereals, leafy vegetables. Okay, next is vitamin B12. Huh? Liver of ox. Next, okay, fish meat. Next, vitamin C, citrus fruits. Okay, citrus fruits and amla na. Next, vitamin D. So what is the source of vitamin D? Milk and sunlight. So sunlight, is it sunlight is a source of vitamin D? ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಮನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ? ಹಾಂ. Is it true? Then what? So vitamin D called sunshine vitamin because people says that it is available in sunlight, but I don't think it is available in sunlight. Say vitamin D does not available in sunlight. Vitamin D, no, actually it is a it is just convert. See, in our body has what to say, steroid called ergosterol something. Steroid will be there. That steroid converts into vitamin D in presence of sunlight. Okay, so therefore in sunlight the steroid get converted into vitamin D. There is only conversion. So sunlight do not itself is no like deposit vitamin D ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. 4 ದಿವಸ ಕುಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಟೋನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಇ, ಟೋಕೋಫೆರಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್? Sunflower oil, yes. Vitamin, usually oils. Okay, and moreover, I think I told you, vitamin E is a antioxidant for oils. Antioxidant, right? Oil can be stored for long time. Even you can store 6 months, 1 year also. Cooking oil. The reason is there vitamin E can be added. Actually, vitamin E is a naturally it is present along with oils. So that vitamin E is a antioxidant. So that is, so main source of vitamin E is oil, cooking oil. Sunflower oil has rich of vitamin E. Next is vitamin K. It is leafy vegetables, of course. Along with this, any other particular source? Liver and non-veg ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಜ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ? ವೆಜ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದನ? ಹಾಂ, ಭಾಳ ಜನ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲನಾ? ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ, ರೈಟ್? So question, listen here, questions based on their chemical names. Which of the following is a vitamin B12 or B6 or vitamin C? They'll give the names, ascorbic acid or calciferol, like this. Okay, next question based on source. In source, majority say like vitamin A, it has particular source, like vitamin C, particular source. So particularly B complex having common source. Vitamin D, particular source is there. So like that, wherever vitamin has particular important source, from that question can be asked. And third question is question based on deficiency. Okay, then tell me the deficiency of vitamin A. It is a night blindness, right? Night blindness ಅಂದರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆದರೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ? ಹಾಂ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳಕಸೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಮೂವಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೂವಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸೋ ಥರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದುಡ್ಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ, ನೈಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ xerophthalmia, ರೈಟ್? night blindness, xerophthalmia. So it is due to deficiency of vitamin A, retinol. Next, yeah, what is the deficiency of vitamin B1? Beriberi, right? Next is vitamin B2, chelosis, right? Chelosis. So usually mouth ulcers vartala, corners of the mouth, vitamin C, mouth ulcer alla. Is it chelosis? That is, so, next, pyridoxine, deficiency of B6 vitamin. Convulsions, vomiting sensation. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Next, vitamin B12. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? Cyanocobalamin ಹೇಳಿ. I think anemia, deficiency of hemoglobin, right? RBC. Particularly name is anemia, pernicious anemia. Okay. Vitamin B6, C vitamin, scurvy. Yeah, it was a previous question, scurvy. Next, tell me. Vitamin D. Wickets, rickets, not cricket, rickets. And if it is in children's, ricket, no? Adult ಆದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯೋಮಲೇಸಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಟೋಕೋಫೆರಾಲ್. What is the deficiency of tocopherol? Tell me. Muscular weakness. Yes. Next, last one is vitamin K. It is called anticoagulating vitamin, right? It increases the blood coagulation time. Okay. So ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ನೇಮ್? ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಮ್? ನೋ, anticoagulating vitamin. Okay, fine. So therefore, so questions based on deficiency also important. So whatever the vitamins and deficiency given NCERT textbook, okay, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಓದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 3-4 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ vitamins and their deficiency. Okay, so previously 2-3 time question asked on this. One is, which of the following is a sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D. Okay, which of the following vitamin leads to cause xerophthalmia? Vitamin A. Which of the following vitamin increases the blood coagulation time? Vitamin K. Okay. And once question asked on vitamin D also. Yeah. Which of the following vitamin leads to cause rickets? Vitamin D. Okay. So that's only names or deficiency or source. Okay, next is nucleic acids. Nucleic acids. Right. So what are nucleic acid and their, again here structural information important for us. Tell me, what is nucleic acid? So nucleic acid also polymer, right? Now so far we have studied which polymer? 1 carbohydrates, 2 proteins, 3 not amine proteins, then is this one only, nucleic acid. Okay, so vitamins are not polymers, they are molecules only, simple molecules only. Okay, Tell me, what is nucleic acid? Nucleic acid is a long chain polymer of nucleotides, right? It is a long chain polymer of nucleotide. So a long chain polymer of nucleotides is called nucleic acid. That means, so nucleic acids are made up of nucleotides. So therefore these nucleotides are building blocks of nucleic acid. There are two type of nucleic acid. One, DNA. Second one is RNA. So what is the DNA? It is a deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. What is RNA? It is ribonucleic acid, is RNA, right? So deoxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid. Now let's see, so what is the chemical composition of these two nucleic acid, right? Composition of nucleic acids. Okay, right, see both DNA, RNA composed of three important moieties. Okay, so which three important moieties? One, they composed of three important units. One, pentose sugar. Two, nitrogen bases. Three, phosphoric acid. Therefore nucleic acid is made up of three moieties. One, pentose sugar, nitrogen base and phosphoric acid. So what is the pentose sugar in DNA, RNA, and what are the nitrogen bases in DNA, RNA and phosphoric acid? We'll see one by one in detail. Okay, so first one, nitrogen pentose sugar. Pentose sugar. Tell me, what is the pentose sugar present in DNA? DNA contain which pentose sugar? Okay, tell me, it is a deoxy. Which deoxy? There is a beta, it is a D, beta capital D, 2-deoxy ribose. Now this is the pentose sugar present in DNA. Then what is the meaning of this beta? We know that first carbon, that is a anomeric carbon. On anomeric carbon, OH should be above na below na? Above the plane. It is a D, means all the carbohydrates are D configuration, not dextro, D configuration. 2-deoxy on second carbon. So instead of one OH group, there is a only H group is there. It means okay, so this is a first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon is CH2OH. Then it is a beta. It is anomeric carbon, first carbon. In beta, OH group should be above the plane H, and actually there should be OH. In ribose sugar, OH will be there. It is a deoxy, no. Therefore, so instead of OH, there is only H will be there. Third carbon OH below the plane, fourth carbon H will be there. So this is a beta D2-deoxyribose present in DNA. Okay, then now which is the pentose sugar present in RNA? Tell me. It is also beta. It is a D only. It is also D, but it is a 2-deoxy. No, what is this? It is ribose sugar. Beta D ribose sugar. So present in RNA. So therefore, now tell me. It is a anomeric carbon, first carbon, second, third, fourth, CH2OH is fifth carbon. On anomeric carbon, OH group is above beta. In ribose sugar, second carbon OH is there, third carbon OH is there, fourth carbon H. It is a beta D ribose present in where? RNA. Okay, so therefore nucleic acid composed of these three units. One is a pentose sugar. The pentose sugar present in DNA is this, and pentose sugar present in RNA is this. So beta D ribose sugar. Next is nitrogen bases. Okay, tell me. Nitrogen bases. So what is the meaning of nitrogen bases? The organic compound which containing nitrogen. Where nitrogen has lone pair, it acts as a base. Therefore, nucleic acid contain two type of nitrogen bases. One, purines. Second one is pyrimidines. Yes or no? Purines and pyrimidines. So what are the purine present in? Yeah, what are the purine? Tell me first. What are the purines? Adenine, guanine. Adenine, guanine, right? So adenine, guanine are the purines. And what are the pyrimidines? Thymine, comma, cytosine and uracil, right? So thymine, cytosine, uracil, these three are the pyrimidines. Okay, next. But DNA contain which purines and which pyrimidines, and RNA contain which purines and pyrimidines. Now tell me, what are the nitrogen bases present in DNA? There is a adenine, comma, guanine, thymine, cytosine. So adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine present in DNA. In among these two are the purines, right? These two are pyrimidines. Next, RNA contain which nitrogen bases? Adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine. Okay, so that means in place of thymine, uracil will be present in RNA. Okay, next. Now tell me, which purines present in both DNA RNA? Both A and G. Okay, AG. And which pyrimidines present in both DNA RNA? Only cytosine. Cytosine here is present. Which pyrimidine present DNA but not RNA? Which pyrimidine present DNA? Thymine, not RNA. Thymine only. Right. Which pyrimidine present in RNA but not DNA? It is uracil. Present in RNA but not DNA. Okay. So these are the nitrogen bases. Next, phosphoric acid. Right. So nucleic acids also contain phosphoric acid. Its formula H3PO4 and structure is P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. Okay. Next, nucleoside. What are nucleoside and what are nucleotide? Let's see first nucleoside. Tell me, what are nucleoside? Pentose sugar and okay. Pentose sugar plus nitrogen base is equals to nucleoside. Okay. Now let's see example. Pentose sugar, I'll take in DNA. Tell me, in DNA what is the pentose sugar present? Deoxyribo sugar. In deoxyribo sugar, beta deoxy, okay, it is a beta deoxyribo sugar. Yes or no? Now, nitrogen base present on which carbon of the pentose sugar? Right. Where is present? It is a first carbon OH. No. This first carbon OH is replaced by nitrogen base. It means nitrogen base present on first carbon of pentose sugar. Then here it may be, this nitrogen base may be Ag or Tc, or even in RNA it is what? Uracil also, any nitrogen base, right? But DNA, this is a pentose sugar. This base may be what? This base, it may be A or G or Ag, Tc, but not uracil in case of DNA. Okay, if you take RNA, it may be in place of T, U comes. Okay, that is nucleoside. Next is nucleotide. Nucleotide. Tell me. So which combination is called nucleotide? Nucleoside plus phosphate group. That means pentose sugar plus nitrogen base plus phosphate group, which is called nucleotide. Nucleotide. Okay. Then now again let's say DNA. Right. In DNA there is a ribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar. And tell me, in deoxyribose sugar, first carbon OH above the plane, second carbon only H will be there, It is deoxyribose sugar. In deoxyribose sugar, the first carbon OH replaced by nitrogen base. This is nucleoside. But now question is where the phosphate group is present. Phosphate group is present on fifth carbon. This is fifth carbon. Okay. In fifth carbon OH interact with phosphoric acid. Right. So it is interact with phosphoric acid. So what is the phosphoric acid? P double bond O. There are 3 OH. Okay. So here you can remove the water. When water is removed, what is left here? Oxygen, no. Therefore, there is a bond with oxygen. So this is the structure of nucleotide. So nucleoside, nucleotide. Okay. Next is dinucleotide. Dinucleotide. Tell me. So what is a dinucleotide? So take 2 nucleotides, and these 2 nucleotides held together by phosphodiester bond. Okay, let's see how. Let us draw the nucleotide. It is a nitrogen base and second carbon, third carbon, it is fifth carbon, OH, it is OH, it is one nucleotide. So take another nucleotide, on first carbon there is a nitrogen base, second carbon, third carbon, and here also one more phosphoric acid molecule will be there. Okay. Tell me. So this is one nucleotide, it is another nucleotide. Come on, tell me. In between 2 nucleotide, there is a bond will be formed. Yeah, the first nucleotide phosphate group, phosphoric acid, is interact with the second nucleotide, third carbon OH of pentose sugar, only on third carbon. So third carbon OH of pentose sugar interact with each other, then so water eliminated, the bond will be formed. This bond is called which bond? Phosphodiester bond. Tell me why this bond is called phosphodiester. Say what is ester? Tell me. R C double bond O O R. It is ester bond, no? So here it looks like, P double bond O O C. It means P double bond O O R. It is one ester. P double bond O O R. It is another ester. That means so this bond looks like 2 ester bonds. And moreover, phosphate group is there. Phospho, not carbon. Phosphodiester. So therefore, the bond present between 2 nucleotide is phosphodiester bond. Like that, you can write the polynucleotide also. Okay. Then nucleotides differ in what? The nucleotide everything same. They may differ in pentose sugar, they may differ in nitrogen base. Right? Pentose sugar, there are two type of pentose sugar. One is deoxyribose and ribose. This is deoxyribose. Then ribose is in second carbon, if you write OH, it become ribose. Okay, next. Yeah, next is, yeah, here nucleotide, they mainly differ in nitrogen bases. So nitrogen bases we have written here. There may be a adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine and even uracil also. Right? So therefore this nitrogen base is different in different nucleotides. Okay. So it is dinucleotide. You can write polynucleotide also. Okay. So next we have structure of DNA. Okay. We shall continue tomorrow.